Chapter 11. Fractions. Warm-up activity. 1 whole. 1 whole means every part of a thing. For example, 1 whole chocolate, 1 whole watermelon, 1 whole chapati. Fraction. When a whole thing is divided into equal parts, then each part is called fraction. For example, in the above figure, the rectangle is divided into equal parts. So, each part is the fraction of a whole. 1/2 or half. Madhu has made a chapati. She divided it into 2 equal parts. So, when a whole thing is divided into 2 equal parts, each part is called a half. It is written as 1/2. A fraction has 2 parts, numerator and denominator. The line between numerator and denominator is the fraction bar. Numerator upon denominator is equal to n/d. Remember, in n/d, n stands for numerator and d stands for denominator. The number above the fraction bar is called numerator. It tells the number of equal parts taken. The number below the fraction bar is called denominator. It tells the total number of equal parts in a whole. So, in 1/2, 1 is the numerator and 2 is the denominator. It means 1 part out of 2 equal parts. 1/3 or 1/3. Manya has made a pie. She divided it into 3 equal parts. So, when a whole thing is divided into 3 equal parts, each part is called 1/3. It is written as 1/3. Here, 1 is the numerator and 3 is the denominator. It means 1 part out of 3 equal parts. 1/4 or quarter. Param has made a square-shaped sandwich. He divided it into 4 equal parts. So, when a whole thing is divided into 4 equal parts, each part is called 1/4 or quarter. It is written as 1/4. Here, 1 is the numerator and 4 is the denominator. It means 1 part out of 4 equal parts. Fraction of a circle. Figure 1 shows a whole circle. The circle is divided into 2 equal parts. It means part A is equal to part B. In figures 2 and 3, the shaded part and the unshaded part are equal to 1/2. In figure 4, the shaded part is 1/3. The unshaded part is 2/3. In figure 5, the shaded part is 1/4. The unshaded part is 3/4. In figure 6, the shaded part is 3/4. The unshaded part is 1/4.